Hi there, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Stairlift. What we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how to remove and reattach the tracks on your Genesis Flex. The removable tracks are a game changer, making this chair easy to stow, simple to lift, and ready for life on the move. Now, before getting started, lock the wheels to keep the chair stable during removal. Next, I'm gonna turn the red knob to raise the handlebar upward until it locks into place. Now you're gonna locate the locking pins on either side of the handlebar release knob and pull each one up and out to release the tracks from the frame. Finally, lift the tracks up and away from the lower fasteners near the rear wheels. Now your Genesis Flex is in its lightest, most portable form, great for lifting into a trunk, storing in a closet, or traveling. Now, to attach the tracks, make sure the handlebar is already raised and begin by hooking the tracks back onto the lower brackets near the rear wheels. Secure the tracks by reinserting both safety pins into their original slots on either side of the red handlebar release knob. When the tracks are secure, turn the red knob to lower the handlebar back into its standard position. And that's it, your Genesis Flex tracks are now securely reattached and ready for stair transport. For more tips, please visit mobilestairlift.com or give us a call. We're always here to help make stair transport safer and simpler wherever life takes you. Thanks for watching.